Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make money online 2023 with YouTube automation. The best way to make money with YouTube. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. So let's get started. Now, in YouTube automation, you have a lot of potential to be able to earn a lot of money. And in today's video, I will be discussing to you the different processes that you should take advantage of or you should do to maximize your profit with YouTube automation. Now, if you don't know how to start your YouTube automation, the process is very simple. You could either do it by yourself or with a team. Now, let's go talk about having a team first. Now, having a team requires you to have, like what I said, a team members or different team members to help you build your YouTube videos. You could have someone who would edit the video, someone who would voice over the video, and someone who would manage your social media, of course, posting it on the YouTube channel. You could also have extra members to your team if that would suit you or if that is what you prefer. And that is the process for the team version. They will work together to build your YouTube videos with ease. And that is a tip that I will be giving you. You should have someone who will be able to do them one by one. So like what we showed here in our example, we have one that is an editor, one who is a voice recorder, and one who manages the social media. Their combination or their teamwork allows them to produce a lot of different videos. So for your YouTube channel, you're not really limited to uploading one video a day. The more videos that you could upload, the better. And if your team is able to produce as much videos as possible, for example, you could say 5 videos per day, you will be able to generate a lot of views from that and start earning a lot of money. So finding a very good team member for your team is the best way to start earning money. Finding someone who is good and is able to deliver on time is something that you would require or something you should find and look for. You will be able to find all of these types of people in either Fiverr. You could simply post a job in either Upwork or Fiverr and look for someone. So if, for example, over here, you can search editor and you will be shown people, or as you can see here, people who are able to edit videos. And after you find someone who could do that, you can also look for someone who could do voiceovers. And building your team is not going to be easy. It will also cost you money to build them as well because you would need to pay them to do the work. So you would need to invest into them before you will be able to earn a lot of sales or a lot of income. If you don't YouTube, you're not really going to be able to earn money right away. Building a successful automation doesn't happen overnight, and you would need to take a while to build your audience and monetize. And you would need to sacrifice or invest a lot of money into paying these people before you get money from YouTube. Also look for an all-in-one type of person where the person can record, voice over, and handle or upload the media at the same time. Having someone who can do everything is very useful as well because you will be able to save a lot of money. Although it might take a while for them to process videos, but it will be a very good thing as well because you will be able to save a lot of money. And eventually, once your YouTube channel starts running, you will be able to have enough money to search for more through Fiverr or Upwork. Personally, I believe or I prefer Upwork better to find different types of people, and a lot of good talents are located in Upwork. Now, what if you don't have enough money to fund a team? You could still create a successful YouTube automation that would allow you to earn a lot of money. So let's talk about the process if you're a one person or if you just want to do it on your own. There's a lot of tools out there, and one of the tools that you should fully take advantage of is AI. There is a lot of AI out there that would help you with your YouTube automation. Now, personally, one of the best AI that I have right now is the 11 Labs AI. 11 Labs AI will allow you to create fake voices. So you're not even going to use your own voice, because in YouTube automation, using your own voice or showing your face is also one of its features. So having an AI voice is very important as well. And 11 Labs is a free platform, which is very useful. So we could say, hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we will talk about YouTube automation. There we go. Then simply choose your voice over here.
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
The world is round, and the place, which may seem like the end.
So what you can do next is you could adjust the voice settings over here. And then after that, you can simply ask it to generate, and you will be able to have a voice.
Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we will talk about YouTube automation.
Just like that, for the specific script that you have provided it. And you could use and take advantage of this. There's a lot of platforms out there that would provide you with royalty-free videos, and you could put together a very simple YouTube automation video. Now, your YouTube automation video doesn't need to be super complicated. You could basically create a very good video with just a clip of different types of video and then someone talking in the background. So let's, for example, use Future Unity as an example over here. They have videos over here. Let me mute this tab for now. Their videos are basically just a compilation of someone explaining something. And as you can see, just a clips of videos put together as the video is being explained. You can see here, there's no faces of the YouTube owner or their voice. This is basically AI. So if you listen to this, if you visit their channel, the voices will be AI. And you wouldn't really be able to notice that because the AI of 11 Labs is very good, so you don't really hear the AI voice. Now, you could also take advantage of ChatGPT. ChatGPT will allow you to produce amazing scripts with so little time, so you can take advantage of that as well. Now, if you don't have your YouTube channel monetized yet, like I said earlier, you're going to have to work hard and just simply keep uploading and uploading videos. Also, you need to upload quality videos, because the better the quality, of course, the more views you're going to get. And the more views you're going to get, the faster your YouTube channel will be monetized and the faster you will be able to earn money. And you could use this platform with IQ as well, which will help you monitor your YouTube channel, help you set goals, and many more. It's just a very good overall YouTube assistant platform. So if ever you would like to have some help with building your YouTube channel, you could utilize vidIQ over here and check the video or check the link in the description as well. And aside from that, that is basically my tip for how to maximize your gains in YouTube automation. Either utilize all the tools that are available right now and take advantage of it, or hire a team of people that would help you reach a very good place with YouTube automation. And that's basically it for now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.